We know your home gym is filled with the best home gym equipment on the market, and you're putting in the work day in and day out to get stronger, faster, and better. Have you ever wondered about nutritional supplementation to take your results up a notch? Pre-workout supplements are multi-ingredient products designed to boost energy and improve exercise performance. Given how popular these products are, and the countless formulas that exist, it's worth knowing which ones contain research-backed ingredients and are worth your money. Number 5. Legion Pulse. Increases energy levels. Pulse contains 100% natural ingredients and no harsh or dangerous stimulants, which means you get a smooth rush of energy with no jitters, nausea, or the dreaded post-workout crash that are so common with other pre-workouts. Sharpens mental focus and improves mood. Pulse helps sharpen your mind and elevates your mood, which makes your training more productive and satisfying. Boosts strength, power, and endurance. The combination of citrulline malate, betaine, beta-alanine, and alpha-GPC in Pulse help you push more weight, get more reps, and build more muscle. Improves workout performance and fights off fatigue. Pulse isn't just for weightlifting, it's for circuit, cardio, and endurance training too. That means that you can take it before weightlifting workouts for more strength, power, and muscle endurance, as well as before cardio or metabolic workouts for more intensity and endurance and to fight off fatigue. Caffeine and L-theanine. The caffeine in Pulse boosts energy and strength, and the L-theanine increases focus and provides a smooth rush and bigger pumps. Sertraline malate and beta-alanine, betaine and alpha-GPC. Made in the USA in a CGMP and NSF certified facility. Number 4. Cellucor C4. In addition to explosive energy and performance, C4 Ripped infuses clinically studied ingredients to support metabolism and fat burning in every scoop. Take your training to the next level with explosive C4 energy from 150 mg of caffeine. Fuel muscular endurance and fight fatigue with clinically studied carnosine beta-alanine legendary zero sugar C4 taste in every scoop. With billions of servings sold, C4 has been setting the standard in flavor for over a decade. Support a lean and toned physique with L-carnitine, Capsamax Cayenne, Coleus Forscoli, and green coffee bean extract. 0.150 mg of caffeine delivers explosive energy that's ideal for mild to intermediate stimulant levels. Formulated to support energy and fat burning, includes the clinically researched carnosine beta-alanine, studied to help increase endurance, performance, and fight fatigue. Capsamax Cayenne, L-carnitine, green coffee bean, and Coleus Forscoli to support weight loss, and acetyl L-tyrosine for focus support. Incredible sugar-free flavors with 0 calories. 250 mg of vitamin C B vitamins. Number 3. KAGED Muscle. Delivers intense energy and laser-like mental focus. Formulated with pure calf organic caffeine from non-GMO green coffee bean, taurine, tyrosine, and a complete profile of fermented, plant-based branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, pre-caged pre-workout powder delivers a clean, intense surge of energy and relentless focus that will get your mind and body locked in and ready to obliterate your workout. It's so good, you'll never use another pre-workout product again. Triggers bigger, longer-lasting muscle pumps. Every serving of pre-caged pre-workout for men and women delivers a massive dose of pure L-citrulline. This scientifically superior vasodilator helps drive nutrient-rich blood and oxygen deep into your muscles for dense, hard muscle pumps. Pre-caged also includes Spectra, a patented blend of 29 fruit and veggie superfoods that not only provide important antioxidants, but it also supports nitric oxide production. Award-winning pre-workout formulated to increase muscle, strength and performance. Pre-caged is an award-winning pre-workout powder that delivers a unique combination of patented ingredients, scientifically tested to deliver increases in muscle size, strength, and athletic performance. Number 2. Gorilla Mode Pre. 9000 mg Pure L-citrulline. The only pre-workout in the entire industry featuring the maximum effective dosage of pure L-citrulline that is not artificially inflated with malic acid on the label. With citrulline malate, you're only getting 1/2 to 2/3 as much L-citrulline as the label implies. The huge spike in nitric oxide significantly increases pumps, endurance, and can cut DOMs in half after training. 5000 mg creatine monohydrate, 3000 mg GLYCERPUMP, 2500 mg betaine, 1000 mg AGMATINE, supersaturates the muscle with blood and induces a state of hyperhydration for massive pumps, endurance and power. Also includes your full daily saturation dose of creatine. Creatine has shown time and time again to significantly improve strength, power output and muscle size. 1500 mg L-tyrosine, 500 mg Canna, 400 mcg Huperzine A. The high doses of these nootropics top off the cognitive-enhancing component of Gorilla Mode and contribute to a significant increase in energy, mood and overall mental acuity. Number 1. Pre-JYM Pre-Workout Powder. A strong, lean, athletic body doesn't happen on accident. It takes hard work and dedication to your training. And to perform your best in the gym, you have to prepare yourself to train hard. Along with adequate rest and recovery, you need key ingredients to help promote energy, focus, and to fuel the intensity to help maximize gains. High energy levels are an obvious necessity to having great workouts, and pre-JYM includes ingredients shown in research to enhance energy during training. Endurance. Going hard from start to finish in every training session is paramount for maxing out muscle gains, strength, and fat loss. Pre-JYM contains nutrients, like citrulline malate, that have been suggested to help delay fatigue during workouts and enhance muscle pumps. Strength. Get stronger in the gym and train harder and longer. Pre-JYM will help you do it with ingredients that promote stamina and focus. Set PRs in all areas with pre-JYM as your high-performance training fuel. A laser-focused mind will help you withstand the demands of the most grueling workouts. Caffeine, Huperzine A, and alpha-GPC, all found in pre-JYM, combine to enhance cognitive function and improve your mental game in the gym.